Biomass is a biological material obtained from living or recently living plant matter, such as trees or crops, that can be processed into fuel and heat. Biomass is a carbon-neutral fuel. It takes carbon out of the atmosphere while it's growing and returns the same amount back as it is burned. Managed on a sustainable basis, biomass is replenished with new growth as it is harvested. This maintains a closed carbon cycle with no net increase in atmospheric carbon dioxide levels that contribute to global warming and climate change. Using wood and wood products to substitute for fossil fuels means that sustainably managed woodland can provide an ongoing contribution to climate change mitigation. Biomass can be sourced locally from within the UK on an indefinite basis and help support the rural economy. It can satisfy heating and hot water needs for both domestic and commercial properties. Used in a district heating scheme, it can enable many homes or properties to be heated from just one boiler. For commercial systems or those heating more than one domestic property, biomass can generate a significant income from Phase 1 of the Renewable Heat Incentive. Wood is the most common type of biomass fuel, and three main types are used in biomass boilers: logs, wood pellets, and wood chip. The main advantage to using logs in a biomass boiler is that they are easily available. A fully loaded burn chamber can burn for up to 18 hours when the system is in low demand and keep the hot water and heat ticking over. Automatic controls manage the ferocity of the burn and make the fuel last longer. Wood pellets are generally manufactured from byproducts from sawmills and other wood processing industries. They need less storage than logs or chips as they have a higher calorific value for the same volume. Wood pellet boilers are generally fully automated, with the pellets sucked by vacuum straight into the boiler from the store, so are easier to run than log boilers. Wood chip is timber that has been shredded in a chipper. Like wood pellets, it is an easy fuel for automation, with a screw feed taking the chips straight from the store into the boiler. Chip systems are inexpensive to run, although initial capital outlay is greater than other technologies due to the additional parts required to make the boiler fully automated. Biomass is a clean and sustainable fuel source. It can supply 100% of your heating and hot water demand, which makes it a viable and preferable alternative to fossil fuel.